So I don't know how good y'all can see the video, but I've got a copperhead. I don't really want to touch him though because he's ticked off really badly. And of course so I'm just trying to get him to work himself into that. But he's not wanting to go, so this video might take a minute. Let's see if I can just scoop him up like this and put him in it. Couldn't grab it because he would have tagged me. This snake isn't super venomous, they're just really mean. They are venomous and deadly, but you know, not as venomous as a rattlesnake, something like that, which is what I'm looking for. You still gotta be careful with these guys, because I'm quite a ways away from any hospital. And that wouldn't be good to get tagged. I know what I can do. I'm gonna put itself in it. There you have it. He's ticked.